Hey guys, it's ANAJYHA here. So this setup is a little different from what I usually do, but that's because today I'm going to be filming a DIY slides tutorial. So I just wanted to pop in real quick and give you guys a little intro. Yeah, so we're going to be making denim slides from scratch, kinda. You'll see what I'm talking about when you see the rest of the video. But yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, so here I'm going to start off by showing you the tools you'll need. You need a marker, it could be any type of marker, permanent, Sharpie, whatever. You'll need scissors. You'll need glue, any type of glue, adhesive glue, regular glue, any good glue. Now I got two different types of glues, but that's just me being extra. You don't have to have two different types, but yeah. I have my fabric, my denim fabric, and I have the bottom part of the slides. Now you don't have to separate just the top and bottom part of your slides, but I did. I mean, that's just what I had, so. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here you see the fabric. Now these were from a piece of jeans that I had, and obviously those are from a pair of slides that I had. So I'm going to line it up so I can make a mark on where I need to cut. Make sure you leave yourself a little extra fabric just in case you mess up. So here I'm just showing you guys my markings. I'm going to take my scissors and begin to cut a straight line through the fabric where I marked it at. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit. The scissors sucked. These were not a great pair of scissors for this. Obviously, you might want to get fabric scissors, but I'm just using what I have. And honestly, denim is probably one of the toughest fabrics to cut. I would say it's pretty thick. And one piece off. My hands were starting to hurt from the scissors. Once again, struggling. This is how my hands made me feel. I think these are like safety student scissors, so not a great idea. Especially for fit hands like mine's. Finally. The cutting is not the best, but it'll be okay. So you only need to cut that once because it's jeans, so you have a piece of fabric on the top and some on the bottom, and that'll be 2 once you cut it in half, which is what I'm about to do right now. This was me trying to see if I can align it better, but no. So here I'm just showing you guys that I'm going to cut straight down that there and straight down there to make it 2 pieces. And we're done. Now we're going to align our slides with the fabric again. And this is just me testing out to see if everything looks good. It was a little off, but good thing the jean fabric stretched a little bit. And now we're about to just cut the extra off. And then we're going to sharpen it up by cutting off the rest of the extra fabric we don't need. I got some better scissors. Those were crap. So I did cut my fabric the best way I could. It's pretty straight, just making sure everything aligns perfectly on both sides. Now this is me using my adhesive E6000 glue. This is my first time using it. It's pretty watery. Yeah, I'm going to be ghetto and use some paper because I didn't want to use my fingers too much since I'm going to be touching other things. I'm just using it to spread the glue. Flip that over on the side that's going to be in where your foot goes. And this is another type of glue, which is for woods and metals and everything. So you're going to put some glue on the side. That side that goes where your the other part of your slide, that white part or whatever color it is. So put a generous amount, not too much but not too little. You don't want it seeping out, but you want to make sure it's a good amount. Make sure you wipe the nozzle off. And put the cap back on because you don't want it to dry out. So we're going to take that and place it on there. I had to get my hands and angles right. Boom. Just like that. Now, as you can see, it's a little bit showing still of the white. So I'm going to finesse it. Push that down, hold that, pull it. The stretch is pretty good on this pair of jeans. And when you stretch it, you just gotta hold it there for a little bit, just until it, stays. I think the combination of the adhesive and that glue worked really well together. just extra security, which is why I use the 2 type of glues. So just hold it there for a little bit. You don't have to hold it for too long. Push it down. It dried pretty fast. Well, dried enough for it to stay and not move. Boom. There you go. One side done. Now repeat the same thing on the other side. Spray some of that adhesive spray. You need 3 pumps. Honestly, 2 probably would have been good enough because it's so liquidy. Yes, I'm using that piece of paper again to spread it. Ghetto, but it works. Because you can just toss that in the trash when you're done. Put some more of that glue. Not too much, not too little. And just stick it on there. Again, I had to finesse it to bring it all the way over, but not too much. Pat, pat, pat. Just wiped off some little glue that seeped out. There you go. We'll do the same thing for the other slide. And this is how it looks. Just a simple DIY denim slide. I think they turned out pretty nice. I like it for, like, you know, a foundation, just a beginning step. There you go. Now there will be a part 2 of me designing it, so watch out for that next week. Okay, so that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to check back in Thursdays and Sundays for more videos. Thank you. Bye.